Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The first thing you need to do to set up QuickBooks to collect sales tax is create the agencies for whom you collect sales taxes and to whom you pay the sales taxes collected as vendors within the vendor list. This lets you remit checks for the sales taxes collected to the selected vendors within QuickBooks when the time comes for you to pay sales taxes. To review the process of adding a new vendor record to the vendors list, please review Lesson 3.5, the vendors list. You must create the vendor records before creating the sales taxes because when you later create the individual sales tax items, you must specify the vendor for whom you are collecting the sales tax. After you have created vendor records for all the agencies to whom you must remit sales tax you collect, you can then create the actual sales tax items needed by your company file as items within the item list.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.